Should I cut my hand so I get views? Hey guys, today I'm going to be testing out viral Instagram trends and seeing if they actually work.
And then we'll go to the hospital because you're going to cut your hand.
So, got my knife here. This is so hard. This is going to become a gone wrong video where I cut my finger. Do it faster. Alright, be quiet everyone! That's not satisfying. I didn't think the other one was that satisfying, so I'm going to take a drill right now and just drill holes into this to see if it's more satisfying. I'm scared. How is it satisfying? Ah! This is what my life is going to. I don't even know if this is satisfying. I'm going to have to look in the video. Can I cut my hand on purpose so I get views? Oh my god, that was so satisfying. Whoa. We're gonna be... Should I cut my hand so I get views? And no... Oh my god, that's so cool. Wait, I got it. Shit, don't fucking... So now we're gonna be testing out glitter slime. I'm really boring. I have my glitter here, or my glitter paint, some glue, water, borax, and we're gonna see if this mixture is gonna work.
Glitter slime time!
Glitter slime time.
And now it's a glitter.
So, I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna be taking a tablespoon of borax and adding a tablespoon of that, wow, into my water. Just gonna dissolve that, mix it around. So we're gonna be adding 250 mils of this, and this is clear glue. Make sure you open the lid. So we're gonna be pouring 250 mils of basically half the bottle into this bowl. Shit, that's good? That's perfect. Okay, now I think we're gonna be taking our glitter and just pouring that into the bowl. Oh, that's satisfying. Daddy, you can't even see it, shit. No, so we're gonna be pouring more far out. What am I talking about? We're gonna be pouring all of the glitter into our glue. Ew, I'm gonna have to touch this with my hand. Yum. How do I make this video more interesting? I'm really boring. Okay, so we're gonna be taking a tablespoon of borax water and pouring that into our mixture. Oh my god, I think it's working. Okay, I think we just have to mix it more. Oh my god, it's working. Wait, that's actually insane. I'm so happy. I don't sound happy, but I am. Don't put too much, apparently it ruins it. Okay, that's it. I think we need more borax though. Oh, that's too much. Oh my god, I literally just made slime. Oh my god. Oh my god, I literally just made slime. I literally made the best slime. This is how you make glitter slime. I didn't think this was gonna work, but surprisingly, it worked. So, I'm really happy. What do I say? No, it's really sad. Listen to the sounds. Oh my god, there it is. Oh my god, there it is. That's like the Instagram, like, aesthetic, like, sound like that you make. This is so satisfying. Oh my god! Ronnie! Let's try and make satisfying Instagram sounds. Dad, what are you doing? Can you speak in my video?
No.
Oh my god, hold it. Dad, can you go clean this out? Oh my god. Oh, I'll make an Instagram aesthetic video after that, like that. Alright, so now we're going to be making some green slime. I'm going to pour a bunch of glue into this bowl again. the rest of the glue, literally. Should I put the rest of it or save some? Too late. Do I add food coloring first or borax first? Food coloring. How many drops of this do I put? Like 3? 2? Can you speak?
10. More.
That's like nothing. I mean, that's a lot. Should I mix it? Sure, why not? Whoa, that is satisfying. That's what I call satisfying. Shit, you couldn't see that. Do we add more food coloring? I guess we do. Why is it not freaking focused? That actually looks amazing. I need to read more books. Okay, now we're gonna be taking some more borax and we're just gonna be I'm literally just gonna be pouring a bit into it because I can't be stuffed waiting for it. Okay, shit, I think that's too much. Oh my god, it's forming into slime. Whoa. That smells like actual shit. I feel like a 5-year-old child. Do we add more borax? That looks magical with the lights in front of me right now. Wow. Oh my god, this is so messy. Fuck. Let's mix it. Oh my god. Rani. Okay, you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna be taking this and we're gonna be making satisfying sounds. So everyone be quiet. Oh, this one's sound is a lot better. What am I doing in my life? Sorry, thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button. Follow my socials. And make sure to subscribe, comment, and like, and let me know if you want me to make more videos like this in the future. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!